Hello, my name is Anna. I'm women's health coach and trainer traveling full-time. In this vlog, we will show you the most luxurious, the most expensive place to live in Dubai, Bluewaters Island. We will invite you on a room tour of Bluewaters residences. We will take you to the very exclusive 5-star hotel Caesar's Palace, which is located only in Las Vegas and here in Dubai. We will observe very limited and expensive cars. We will enjoy the nicest restaurants of Bluewaters Island. So take a popcorn and enjoy the video. Bluewaters, new artificial island of Dubai with a worth of $1.6 billion. The island was built on the water in 2018. It is located next to the Palm Jumeirah Island and in front of Jumeirah Beach residences. Bluewaters Island has 300-meter pedestrian bridge which connects it with JBR. It has world's largest observation wheel and more than 70 restaurants with a choice of very exclusive and delicious food. There are 10 luxurious waterfront residential buildings. Let's go and take a look at one of them right now.
The price per square meter here is much higher than in all these places around. Yeah, just a small apartment here, I would say, compared to the apartments we were before. If it would be in Asia, I would understand it. But here, like this,
Yeah.
But maybe my feet are free, but look what I can see at night. This island is completely new, and I think you can see it in the buildings. There's nothing old. It's a perfect neighborhood.
Here we can see the address.
Yeah, the address. Here's the water. Here's the pool. We have the palm there. You can see JBR Marina there. You have nice neighbors, right? Which cars are in the garage here? Rolls-Royce, Lambos, Bugattis, Ferraris. It's the concentrated wealth here in this place. I mean, this is the advantage, but it's in almost every expensive place, I would say, concentrated wealth. But if you want to network, if you want to meet people, this is just a crazy place here.
Bluewaters is the perfect location for a good real estate investment, especially if you are a real estate investor who focuses more on quality than on quantity. There are 4 reasons. Number 1, you can buy low, especially as a good negotiator and especially in summer, but the rents are very, very high. So you can expect a return on investment of 10 to 15% with long-term rental and 30% with short-term rental. Number 2, prime location. Bluewaters is only a short walk to JBR and Dubai Marina, close to the Palm and directly connected to Sheikh Zayed Road, which means perfect connection to downtown. Number 3, limited space. Nobody can build new structures on this little island, and that is the perfect combination together with a growing demand. And number 4, I believe in the value of apartments and the surrounding. There's a small, limited amount of apartments, 689 residences, but endless restaurants and entertainment, more than 200 retail and dining outlets. So Dubai is the best city and Bluewaters is simply the best community in Dubai, and there's no replacement.
The funny thing is, here just everyone speaks Russian. Понимаешь?
Я говорю по-русски, guys.
Yeah, and Sammy really started to think that he needs to learn Russian, not only because our kids will speak Russian, but because here you need to make business.
With Russians, yeah.
Yeah, and the waiters here are laughing and telling that Bluewaters is like mini Russia here. Before going to breakfast, we want to show you our neighborhood. As you walk out of a residence, you see the green garden. You have a big pool with sea view to enjoy. It is a very calm and clean area. There is security everywhere. It took us only 5 minutes to walk from our residences to the breakfast spot. Coffee in Dubai.
Yeah, guys, so this is one of the, I would say, 40 nice restaurants here in Bluewaters. Almost every restaurant is nice here. yeah, it's spacious. Here you can work, you have nice food here, and yeah, in this restaurant are supercars in the worth of $100 million. You see it like very old Porsche and everything, and this is what makes Dubai, you know. You see all the signs here driven by dreams, and yeah, you come here to Dubai, you come to this place to make your dreams become a reality.
Now let's take a little walk around the island, and first we will check the Caesar's Palace Hotel. The hotel looks very rich, and it is one of the most expensive places to stay in Dubai. The rooms here start with $500 per night. As you are walking through the hotel, it really feels like you are in a museum. Caesar's Palace Hotel offers 4 restaurants, 2 pools, the gym, massage and spa to enjoy. This hotel is very exclusive because it has private beach which is not surrounded by the stones, like how it is normally in Dubai. So here you can really enjoy the waves in the open sea. This beach is available not only for hotel guests and Caesar's residents, daily passes to the beach club for non-guests are available as well. Bluewaters Island may seem small, but there are a lot of things to check. Museums, cozy cafes, walking streets with modern architecture, clothing shops. There is very nice embankment with a view of Jumeirah Beach Residence and Dubai Marina, entertainments for adults, boat or yacht tours, lots of entertainments for kids, nice restaurants with sea view and skyline view. Let's go and check one of them right now. We are at the best Japanese restaurant in Bluewaters, Dubai.
Yeah guys, it's crazy here, look at this view. It's the view on address JBR, on JBR. There you can see the palm, here you can see the rich boats, rich people, inspiration, motivation.
And when it gets dark, Dubai turns the lights on and the view transforms from just nice to spectacular. Okay guys, it's time to leave our wonderful place here in Bluewaters and move on. Write your questions in the comments down below. Tell us what was the best part of this video.
Yeah, and the guys are cleaning the window there. And yeah, I would say guys, see you in the next video.